Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by combining prerequisites with immediate action. Pick React Native or Flutter for cross-platform UI and Node, JS for a lightweight backend. Create a project folder, initialize Git, and add N for keys. You need secure storage from day one. Install SDKs and the chosen LLM client, then write a minimal API route that forwards user prompts to the model. Once done, run a local server and confirm network calls succeed so you can iterate quickly. Now you build the middle. Implement the chat UI with message list, input box, and typing indicator so responses feel immediate. On the back end, handle sessions, enforce token or length limits, and support streaming responses to show partial output. Store conversation history in SQLite or Firebase and index by user ID for quick retrieval. Make sure to sanitize inputs and throttle requests to prevent abuse. Once integrated, test edge cases like long prompts and intermittent network to refine retry logic. Finish by polishing UX. Add onboarding tips, clear error states, and friendly rate limit messages so users know what to do. Deploy via Docker and CI/CD, set production environment secrets, and monitor logs and metrics for latency and errors. Implement fallback behavior and adjustable model temperature to control creativity. If something breaks, check server logs, inspect request/response payloads, and retry with a smaller prompt. This often exposes token or formatting problems. Make sure to iterate based on real user feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.